What's going on, people? Welcome to one more watch please. In this channel I do watch unboxing videos, watch reviews, and I also talk to watch collectors, watch enthusiasts and watchmakers on several watch related topics. So if you are someone who's passionate about watches, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and also turn on the bell notification so every time I post a new video you will be the first one to get notified. Today, I've brought you a really interesting watch from a company called Orient. This is the Kamasu 2. So let's dive into detail about this watch. So the model number of this watch is AA0811E19B. The dial window is made of sapphire crystal. The case material is 316 stainless steel, so that's a really good quality. The case diameter is 42 millimeters, so it will go mostly on the big wrist, but it should go on the small wrist as well. It depends on your choice and your likeness. The case thickness is only 13 millimeters, which is amazing. Band material is stainless steel, but there are other options available in the market as well if you are not a stainless steel person. The band width is 22 mm, so it's quite a good size, and it's rocking an in-house Orient automatic movement, and it's amazing. I'm going to link the watch in the description below, so make sure you check it out. I'll see you in the next one tomorrow.